Hi friends, welcome to C Language Tutorials. In the previous video, I have discussed the structure of a C program. In this video, I am going to discuss how to install CodeBlocks IDE in Windows operating system. Before we are going to installation, we will know what is an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. What are the features of IDE? IDE is a software for building applications that combines common tools like a text editor for creating source program, compiler, translate source program into machine language, and debugger. It detects and corrects errors into a single graphical user interface. IDE can make suggestions to complete a code statement when the developer begins typing. This feature is called intelligent code completion. This helps developers to save time and reduces bugs that come from typos. Now we are going to install CodeBlocks IDE in Windows operating system. Open any browser and type CodeBlocks in Google search. This is the website of CodeBlocks. Click binary releases. Select operating system where you want to install CodeBlocks. I am selecting Windows operating system. Here 64-bit and 32-bit options are given. I am selecting 64-bit CodeBlocks 20.03 mingew setup.exe. Why I am selecting this? It includes compiler with IDE. You can download from either FOSSHub or sourceforge.net. I am downloading from FOSSHub. Here the download has started. CodeBlocks has been downloaded now. This is the setup file of CodeBlocks. Double click on this icon, click Run, click Next, click I agree, click Next. This is the installation directory of CodeBlocks. See Program Files, CodeBlocks. If you want to change the installation folder, click Browse and select where you want to install CodeBlocks. I am installing in default folder. Click Install. Do you want run the CodeBlocks now? No. Click Next. Click Finish. Now CodeBlocks has been installed. Before launching the CodeBlocks, I want to add installation location of mingew to the path environment variable. How to do that? Go to C, Program Files, CodeBlocks, mingew, bin. Select this and copy this path. Copy. Click Close. Search. In search, type NV. Here select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click this. Click Environment Variables. Here select Path. and edit. Click new and here paste. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now go to command prompt and type gcc --version. You see here WW64 project version 8.10. Now we have set the path, so you can run C programs from any folder. Click close. Now launch the CodeBlocks. Here it detects a compiler installation folder. Click OK. Now CodeBlocks is opened. Now you can run and develop the C programs. I am using CodeBlocks for writing and executing sample programs. Thank you so much for watching our C channel videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.